Please share. Quick one to the Delta State people. Please share. Quick one to the Delta State people. I bet my brothers and sisters, Mona share. Delta State people, Mona come.
Delta State is gone. We want 30,000 square meters cattle grazing land in Delta State. 5,000 is not enough to start up. MIYETTI Ala Delta Cattle Dealers Association yesterday demanded 30,000 square meters of land in the 25 local governments as designated areas for cattle breeding ground and market. The association spoke in Asaba, the Delta State capital, during the public hearing on a bill for a law to provide for the regulation of livestock breeding, rearing and marketing, and to prohibit open grazing and related matters in the state.
Good afternoon.
The hearing, organized by the Delta State House of Assembly Joint Committee on Special Bills and that of Agriculture and Natural Resources,
Good afternoon.
had about 12 memoranda from the state government agencies and stakeholders in livestock business. The association's memorandum, signed by the chairman, Alhaji Musa Shua, said that the 5,000 square meters designated as grazing areas contained in the draft bill was grossly inadequate because of the facilities expected to be in the areas. Shua said at present, the association maintains livestock, cattle, market in 7 towns in the state, adding that the smallest is situated on a parcel of land measuring about 4,500 square meters. While the biggest is about 7,000 square meters. This is only for the markets. Also, each market takes delivery of not less than 800 cattle every week. Our members hardly sell all their cattle at the market, hence the need to feed the cattle by grazing. With the intendment of the draft of this bill being to ban open grazing. It is our respectful view that to have cattle within enclosed grazing, for the purpose of ranching, will mean that a large space of area is needed for this purpose. While we acknowledge that the 5,000 square meters mentioned in Section 8, 2A, is only in the minimum, it is our modest view that even in the minimum, 5,000 square meters of land may not be the best starting point. We, therefore, recommend that to practically satisfy having an abattoir, veterinary clinic, livestock market, administrative office and security post is provided in Section 2B, 2G, Section 2A, should provide that the designated area shall comprise a minimum of 30,000 square meters of land, he said. The chairman of the Joint Committee, Mrs. Pata Judua, said the public hearing was to garner the inputs of the public, particularly major stakeholders in the making of the proposed law.
Delta don't finish, oh, my Delta people, Robo people. Una no do for this one. No do at all. Delta people, I don't tell una say, hey, una don't wake me for sleep. Delta people, those say na they carry first. No do, no any good afternoon, no good. Fulani they come Delta say, 500 meter not reach. We want 30,000 meter. Hey, Asaba people, una they sleep? Or Urobo people, una they carry last 100 over 100. Oh no, 100 over 0. Now na they carry. I say now na topic. Now hold me now. Because now they make us they suffer. Now be the senior. But now go they carry last. Now say una no they carry last. No, they carry last. You hear that? Fulani say maybe I know hear away. I'll read that again. Square 5,000 square meter. No reach. 30,000 square meter. And they defend. So I just see some data people. Hey, they know they carry last one. Shut up! They carry 0 over 100. Una they carry last. None of the carry last. Asaba people, Urobo people, Ekwale people. We all not take. Now not be the 0/100%. Now not be. Una no they talk. No, they make us they suffer. Una get something for na back here. Full I know just come. Data. We don't want square 5,000 square meter. No reach na 30,000. For na backyard. Ha. Una say na una di kanu bu na problem. Na me bu na problem. Una must do something. Una must get up. Una must do something. Una must do something. Now your friend go tell you say your mouth is smell. Go and wash it. As I did here, so una be my brother. 15,000. 15 million euro they come. They know the year of data. They know the year say they talk. They know the year. Now today they want to read the history of Idu. Instead of them to rise up and start the revolution, they did here. Now today they want to read the history. Where everywhere they hot. Data people. I don't know what they wrong with this my data people. I don't know. I don't want to say do anymore. Una not do go anywhere. Now una make Fulani they deal with us. Now una make Fulani they oppress us. Now, if we not talk as it be, we not go good. We must talk as it be. We not care. If you like me. If you like, you hate me. I must tell you the truth. See, He's not there comfortable. Now, be mumu. Una be the edo. Una be the mumu. Una not they enjoy anything. Una not they eat anything. They don't put traditional ruler for everywhere. They want. Mama DK, God will bless you. See, Mama DK, no worry. Receive the pace more. These people, I don't want wear peace deal. Now we are quarrel there one because if we not quarrel, we don't understand. We don't understand. We don't say I not go school. Mona listing. Data people. Now they call 0/100. They carry mumu. They be mumu over mumu. They worry. Mona listing. Now no say I know the truth. Now the truth. Now the truth. No, they tell the truth. Fulani say 30. No, what the other? We want 30,000 square meter. EJ, me say na 30 meter. Me read that again. But I say na me no understand the English. I'll follow. Wait. Delta
State is gone. We want 30,000 square meters cattle grazing land in Delta State. 5,000 is not enough to start up.
Wait. Fulani just come for nuts. Come tell me say my own papa land. Five. How many tall? 500 meter. It's not enough anymore. They want 30,000 meter. Data. Una wake up. If una just dey wait, make Ole Okwonga go fight them. Una make mistake. If una not take time, Fulani just take all of una. Overnight. Una not do anything. Now they carry last. Now say now they carry first. Now like 100/0. Now they carry. Now the truth. 100/0. Now the death has they carry. Data people. God, why you carry me past there? In my next life, if my mama born me, if na Africa or na near Delta, I will go back. Near Delta and Edo, I will go back because now they come mumu pass. Over mumu, they worry them. They don't get the one where they fight put. 15 billion US dollar, they come. They all do like this. Big, they know they talk. Nah. Fulani say, wait, go start time again. Me want me the read them, Mona for understand them.
Delta State is gone. We want 30,000 square meters cattle grazing land in Delta State. 5,000 is not enough to start up. MIYETTI.
It do. Go bless. You see, God will bless you. Will create computer. You see, he read it clearly. So 500 square meter, not enough. They say they want 30,000. Urobo, Shakiri, Isoko, Equal, we on a day. You see, only data. Me, I can't. With the one way I know, not be the one way they say. I know data where they go there now. Wait to Urobo, Shakiri, Isoko, Equal, Asaba, Ogwashuku, Isieluku. Data now they carry 0 over 100. I swear. Una no see, una no get sense at all. Una no get sense. Then they bring 15 billion US dollar. They come in area. All of una do like this. You now only the some people they shout. Like say if the money come now only the shadow now want to come. See now, Fulani don't come. They say they want 30,000 30,000 square meter. Now they want to now by force. Una no wake up. No, na juju that tell data people and do people. Na juju that tell una. Okay, now let Igbo go the derby. Una no they suffer. Okay, Igbo. I don't know say na una suffer pass. I don't know say na Igbo people. But the last time I check, now Igbo men many for this Europe. Women many. I'm not sure. Remember, women wait there now. Their husband carry home. Oh, they travel where their data and they do him. If you go Agbo, the car people, the Igbake, the not only there be a car, not only there be Agbo, not only Fulani they deal with tonight. Yoruba and Fulani, not be all Yoruba. All those new of Ife, those one are mixed blood, not be our own. You know, say as they thought, we are not the same people. So only Agbo people, not only there be a car, not only there be Ogwashuku, not only there be Igbanke, not Igbankere, and I saw our leader they talk Igbankere. Only there be a car. If you go to that place, oh my God, if you see their women waist, it come bend where they take the drive machine. Now machine that they carry go farm. I know a car well now enough for Abudu Ogan. If you cross Abudu, you don't reach. I know there. They go there well. If you see their women waist, it come. No, me I know they say women. Our women waist because all of us now one. Fulani here. Here I got Masha. And the men. Now so gossip. Anywhere you see gossip, your door Fuji. They know they plan to take their mad date by themselves. They no plan. So now they see them. So equally and Agbo men. Now they want to read their history. Where the water don't pass Gary. Okay, una think so now the canoe they play. We they play. So since we they share chat, say see where we for come. Now say no concern. All of una back off. So now come out for live video called the registry. My brothers and sisters, not be now one registry. As we they fight for what it belong to us now, because our forefather time we don't know what happen. As we they fight, well, they let all those miss blood they know say we not be one. You na bino Jaja with if you be Igbo, you be bino Igbo Jaja with we not be one. We want freedom. So therefore, my data people, I beg, Mona get up. Why you don't get respect? If you want to create a good thing, you don't remove respect first. If the thing don't come here, you come and who respect helps. My brothers and sisters from my Asaba, Mona listing. Not only Asaba, data, all the old data, Mona listing.
Delta State is gone. We want 30,000 square meters cattle grazing land in Delta State. 5,000 is not enough to start up. MIYET.
Oh, in my next life, if I see what it be data, I want me. That will not be at all. Urobo na they carry last worry. And then they carry last. Una present coronavirus come. they kill una men, una no fit riot, una no fit do anything. If not be even the what did they call them? Some people we raise up SARS, we can't go bomb police station. Therefore, all these SARS, they'll kill all these our Ugeli boys for free. Nothing they happen. They not. Since I was born, our data people come carry last, carry 0 over 100 pass. No, they rake. We know they carry last. So what do you know? 0 over 100, none of the carry. Na me talking. 0 over 100, none of the carry. Now, one call the read district. One of the canoe, they shout. Now do like so. Now here, be now no yet, not be all. Now only few days. That my yare, that my brother did yare. Few people now they fight for freedom for data. Few, not be pass mark. All those ones who come out, we can't go they come back to this reading. Wait, all these ones they not be they supposed to raise up for the can now the youth. Una mash out. Take your mandate by yourself. Let me show you our fathers in Urobo land that went out to go and solidarity for our leader. Not be only them dead here now. Ora kani wari quick I came aboard that here or confuse them here. You see, now our papa na they come they protest. You see, where the young boys they did here. You see, you see,
that we are all Biafra.
We be Biafra 100%.
Don't listen
Don't listen
to the politicians.
to them. I want you people to come out.
We are not Biafras and all the
We
rest
be
of them.
100%
They are
Biafra.
just,
Yeah.
Politicians. So the referendum will decide.
Exactly. But before the referendum decide, Fulani no let you go. Before it decide, I'm telling you my own opinion. I don't want carry anything before the referendum decide. Come out and see my brothers and sisters. Come, let me tell you one thing. I not be make no pass. They always tell you now. Before Fulani go let us go, there must be a revolution. There must be a uprising. Now that uprising me I want. Because who is holding us? Now the obas, the politicians, the pastors we get money where the billionaire, Obi Kubala. All those people are our problem. Yes, if you and me want to reach, they will make us poor. Not only that they rich because they belong to something, can't you get it? That na they be the most people head. No, the 100% mumu. Why you want mumu say? I me talking. If you not like, you not like me. If you not like me. Now live video for the shot. It good, but when I start, me go conjure una. I know they run no. No. If not be say SARS don't stop for long time. Una for don't see me for this Zoom. Me. I don't like where peace day because now that one they take the cheat on. Hey, make peace come now, make peace come. At the end of the day, the people where fair rise up against them, if they don't succeed, kill those ones. They'll constantly oppress the other people again, will be innocent. So if no uprising, nothing go good. So therefore, that people now must rise up. Now me they talk. Oh, I must look back, wanna wait. Where the PJ, that man, that cannot go. It don't go. See, I not go school. Mona wait. Thank God for Google. Mona wait.
Delta State is gone. We want 30,000 square meters cattle grazing land in Delta State. 5,000 is not enough to start up. MIY.
Baba, man, that state is gone. See, data people, if you not think say only Okon go fit do everything, una lie. Only Ejiro. What did I call him? Our brother name, they escaped me. Hello? I'm doing something. I will come when I finish. I told you now. Okay? Then 30 minutes I'll finish, okay? Bye. Hey, Jimmy, you know which I be what we want me and get your home. Hey, my brothers and sisters, help for ma. God bless them. And on a GT. If finish yo, as that a big rich. I need to do finish as and only say. Ofo, that way no they carry last. I 40 say na the day from no na their grandpapa con they fight for na they con they protest or na the canon. All of the year do like this. Like say nothing they happen. See if not be say they say more not spoil something say they want to do it diplomatic. Una for the year say we not the fear them. We not the fear them. We ready everywhere spoil. About Bini say now we are not good now the oh boy Maria ya we me up back. Was spoil everywhere. Was spoil now. Nobody they happy, nobody get joy. Nobody. No, I not there do it today. I said this week and the upper week na Delta State na Eketa, Urobo, Ishekiri, Ikwale, what is it? Isoko, Ogwashuku, the menu, Asaba, only that how, Agbo, Eka, Igbankere. Wait again. Oleuna. I don't get friends. What I be what I not get enemy. What I not get enemy. I don't get friend, I don't get enemy. For this freedom. Data. Mona list is more. Mona listing.
Delta State is gone. We want 30,000 square meters cattle grazing land in Delta State. 5,000 is not enough to start up. MIYETTI ala Delta cattle.
Fulani. See, I too like Fulani. You know why? They get mind. I like people who get mind. Where they tell, say, this thing I must get and go through get her. That make me like that one. That make me like them. The rest things, they're not good. But that one where they say, that your thing na my own. It go be my own, not it happen. Now that one I for like them. I they come for Ijo. Now small. You know why don't they two talk to Ijo? Now Delta people and Edo people, now they make us they suffer. Ijo that they enjoy, they pay their money salary. Forget those one where they know they pay money. Those one are Edo side and Shekiri side, Urobo side. Now the major people. They receive salary. I they tell now. They pack the Congo school. May I play one for now? Now wait. Where is that my small phone? Wait, Mona list it to data first. I go find that phone. Fulani Ojo come. They say, this thing my own thing as this as your business. Say, now me get her. Our people just do like this. They know they talk. They know they do like say now they sabi pass. Now they say una the canoe not be so you supposed to take pass am. May you go do your own. They say they want your nan. Go and do your own. You know go do. Rise up and do something. You know do. Join una the canoe. You will not join me. You will not nothing. Now they come make my pass. You see I go die. You go say you come they do joke. So all na children now they come be joker. God forbid. The next generation will enjoy. I will sacrifice my life. They'll kill this. I go die. I go save. I go do this. What did they call that guy? They'll kill all of them. I come off for road. Now the truth. I will sacrifice my life. Me no know. I don't like where peace day. Now we are quarrel there. I like. Everybody they quarrel. At the end of the day, everywhere good. Not be say. According say, let us make peace. Make peace for where? If they succeed, key people where they agitate now. Now still remain suffer. Now no peace. Better people get up. Mona go fight for Congo. Oh, Congo dead here na slave. Una no get sense. Na slave. That are now not 100% Biafra. Now they be forget to 100%, but they know they talk. Though you keep quiet, all of them you keep quiet. They know not be evil. Only talk. The youth, they see that day now. Kerosene bomb people for this thing. What is the Ogara? Nobody talk. Jesse come, he keep people. He destroyed them. I was in Delta State for Ugeli. They pick rice, they shop for street. Now that are people they all also. Now they owe our destiny. Now the truth. Mona listing. Mona listing.
Delta State is gone. We want 30,000 square meters cattle grazing land in Delta State. 5,000 is not enough to start up. MIY.
Fulani, may I go find your dad, my fool? You know, now let see now let down and kill like Fulani. They go come, they'll say this my land. Now they get her, they'll kill you. You know if you do anything, don't take her. Now let down one. So therefore, Mona make an opposite. Our men they too they talk. They not get now. See why they shout say our IPOB leadership made they not do burukere. May they not go kill my leader. Now they can't I believe now the truth. The rest of na be talkative. Now be gossiper. Now not get mad at all. I swear. That is the reason I know take can likely. If our leader is not okay, I will not take it like it will not be loud. I dey wait for them. The leadership say they'll do something. Say me I not worry. Leadership, I dey here. A diplomat, no, not be diplomat. Legal way. Legal. Not be legal, legal way. That is the one doing a court way. They no one doing me they tell na say my people the truth of the matter. If una not do like answers, Nigeria government not the respect to na. They don't the traditional ruler una the respect. They don't sell una. The governor they don't sell. They don't get choice to do something than to do something. You know, see your bicycle now, they run up and down. They sign paper. Hey, who get land? Na hold the land. Oh, nobody like all bag of concern. Na get here, go reach America. Oh, poor people na get land. You see, they run up and down. If our Esa brother or our Edo brother know they talk, nothing say though, that type people must get up. They must get up. Me, I fed the plan. I go for me.
Delta State is gone. We want 30,000 square meters cattle grazing land in Delta State. 5,000 is not enough to start up. MIYETTI Ala Delta Cattle Dealers Association yesterday demanded 30,000 square meters of land in the 25 local
cattle dealer.
as designated areas
Hey,
for
that's
breeding
a.
ground and
Oh.
market. The association spoke in Asaba, the Delta State capital. During the public hearing on a bill for a law to provide for the regulation of livestock breeding, rearing and marketing and to prohibit open grazing and related matters in the state. The hearing, organized by the Delta State House of Assembly Joint Committee on Special Bills and that of
Delta State is gone. Is the truth. I have the wait. No, not be this.
The oil in Delta belongs to Chicago. Yes, because we are all Nigeria today. So that's what I'm telling you. The oil belongs to us all. And we as Nigeria shall do everything possible to make sure we take that oil so that a lot of people will have the oil.
Okay.
Will have the money of the oil. Anybody who thinks the oil of Bayelsa belongs to only Bayelsa is just deceiving himself. As long as we're in Nigeria, we will make sure that we have uninterrupted supply of oil so that there will be uninterrupted supply of money to Jigawa State. As long as we are called Nigeria. Of course we are not the same people. We have to understand that, look, I am a Fulani man, and Ijo is different, Yoruba is different, but then God has made us to stay together. So why can't we?
God not make anybody to stay together. I'm just telling you the truth. If God make people to stay together, Scandinavia should be number one to stay together. These people are not all of them. 5. How many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them is not up to 80 million. It's not up to 50 million. So God did not make anybody to stay together. So therefore, Delta people. Uro bona that they carry last. Better last. Now that they carry. Worry. And they carry last. Mona not talk against you. Not they carry last. You people carry better last. 0/100. Now they carry. Not until now start up and start doing something. Yes. Very easy. Wait till this woman want me to do very easy. Uprising. Yes. Uprising. Revolution. Very easy. Revolution start from somewhere. May I plan for now? Listen.
Delta State is gone. We want 30,000 square meters cattle grazing land in Delta State. 5,000 is not enough to...
You see, this one now, it don't reach to all the old Delta. Not living for Le Asaba, no. Or living for Agbo, no. Living for Orobo, no. Living for Isoko, no. Living for Ikwale, no. Ishekiri, no. You guys have to come together. And you the IPO bill. You know the IPO bill. You know though this one, it's not our business. As NSAS be, nobody did anything. You dare here or you dare here, no concern us. That one is not our business. Rise up and collect what belongs to you. Don't let Fulani to always come and say, hey, this land is not enough. We must take it. Now our own. Now we get them. I know say some of una, they don't give una money. As they don't give una money, they'll come, they try to oppress the rest. Or they threaten, they say, if they do want to catch them. My brothers and sisters, if una start uprising, if they want to arrest one, more of una pack, may they arrest una. May see prison we go contain everybody now. Very simple. Yes, if police want, not be say police go your cash one, the rest go your run. No, all of una dey there, them carry una go there. Very simple. Now people now get land. Una know they let them they trill. Now una get land. Now una be government. All those government they fear una if una rise up, I swear. Though they say, oh, Sophia, now because they carry on the canoe, they want me. No, not be because of that one. Not be because of that one. Enough is enough. Our leader, they are doing it illegal way. Now make me now see say, I know they talk about that side. You know, say we'll try illegal way. If you not work now, we not go was boyfriend. But the land is not good. Before now the canoe will come. Una the Kanu have already do his own job. He don't do it. I dey tell now. He don't do it. Don't tell now. What do you want to tell now? He don't do it. So if una dey wait, what the ESA way do now? What the ESA way bring up now? But no, ESA is just a one group. I dey always tell now. It's just a one group to defend their land. The land now you get time. Now you know whether you follow Fulani drag your own land. Tell them say. I bet this square meter I will not give una. May you carry your own wire they go. Now you know whether you're doing or you're not doing. Now you push your conga to push them. Oh conga say what now conga that they call and be now conga. I don't know. Oh conga no go do if you not rise up and do something. Una dey there una say this guy don't know it. They don't even go school. Say no. I tell una the real truth. The indigenous people of the land must come out in a million and deal with these people. Fulani. Oh, do you know, say the rest thing I don't like Fulani. The only thing where I tell like Fulani, they don't come from all the whole way to from Senegal. Some from Futajalo. I want to say Futajalo here. From Sahel. They just come your land. They'll say, this land, I go take on. Nothing they happen. If you want that, make that. If you want evil that, we'll make a quick say, kill all your family that, as they do for Benny. So, okay. If you not come do, oh, my brother, I love you, brother. I love you. God bless you, sir. Good afternoon. I beg, let me tell Delta people say the land don't go. My brother just they come listing. My brother, I love you. He, for that you come Delta, I go say, now we get this land. Not be only Delta. You know, say, get one parable, say, they say, if you they talk to get mama, who not get from that side, go they, from the other side, go they take her from You go they use ear, they pick everything. Now they do so. Problem day everywhere. Problem day is on a data, do Bayasa, Imo, Anna Now know whether now I get up. But now na data, na the one take go. Mona listy, bro, lucky listy. Mona listy.
Delta State is gone. We want 30,000 square meters cattle grazing land in Delta State. 5,000 is not enough to start. MIYETTI Alec.
Oh, that's how na mumu. Shit. Na mumu. So they want 30,000 square meter. You know farm again now. Data. If you go to Ekwale, Agbo, even some of these local, all of them are farmer. Now the farming, now they trade their children, will still be graduate to whether they travel from they be engineer. Their papa suffer. They lucky now they get papa, we go farm. Or we say mama we say fish, take care of them. They can't still be graduate. The graduate they still be guy. Oh yeah, they their backyard. But if you reach there a full year, they'll lose job. They'll go they do cleaning work. Engineer, they'll lose their job. They'll go. Some don't come out. They Canada. They know what they talk now. Say not true. They'll come out. Either they go France, they go Canada, they go US. They'll see they find work. Oh yeah, want finish for market now. Me want see where to now. We are now from Canada. We are not the go again. That time they be the 100% mumu. 0 over 100 now that they get for school. They not talk now, so they do. They carry 15 billion US dollar. They come now. Data people do like this, but they know they talk. Now they want find where they fuck out. Now they want do history. You get one for our brother where they do live presenter now. That they talk about do. Where with the shark since? Una do like so na now. Instead of una to create platform with be say audio data. Now deal with Fulani. Una dead here. It now wait for the gossip you just see all of the way. If I want gossip person now, you see it go be 1,000 viewer. Not be like they tell now. It go be 1,000. But say make data people for the grant can't wake up. Make they come fight Fulani where they say their oil belong to Jigawa. No, my body they for the get power. My body. You see Oraka carry keke. He go say Igbo man is my business. Igbo supremacy. Igbo Oraka do your own. Where Oraka me you go do your own as a man. From data now they want to collect your land. 5,000 not be enough. 30,000 land now they defend. You must give them. If they not bond you where me not give Fulani land. If you not give the land there, where that additional language, he said now who they are left now they drag land. Don't kill you, don't collect and kill your children, kill everything, don't take the land. Go see, I don't want to for you. All of them I don't see where they call children. Wipe out the generation. No, so that nobody should rise up and say now he get the land. They have been doing it since 800 years. Urobo people now so that they don't know. Urobo people they be mumu. See, Urobo women they suffer. Ew. Urobo women are they suffer pass. If you see their men, they can't tear apart. They can't put big cap. They don't do anything. Now make the young Lorion. You see, they say we generate for Urobo. Not true. Because if you see rich that Benin City, now so they know they work. Now their women they suffer. Not true. Urobo man, they don't get power at all. They know they do anything. They know if you do anything. Now me Fulani Ojo they don't conquer them for 800 years, collect their land. They come again now. They say 30,000 square meter not rich. They say 5,000 not rich. Now 30,000 square meter they defend. Oh God, who do us, Baba, na Medi? I don't understand. Now juju Fulani they do. They do juju join now. I be now only that gun way that they carry. Eh? Our people go say, what? You want me to go there? No, no worry. Una will still die. You fat oh. You don't fat oh. If una many, na give you good pass. Me I show na. If una many, na good pass. If una take the bomb by una own now, na good pass. No, na leave her for no na the canoe. Una the canoe, they one place now. If they wash you now. No. Mona they wait, mona they look at those battle with the social media. We don't want mona free. Una they now na suffer pass. Urobo people get all year. But now they suffer pass. Now so Jesse can kill all of them. Even Ogara that day, kill. Mona get up oh. Now fat will take talk and see ya. Mona wait. Oh shit, I don't find. Wait, una see am. If una get up, una many, una fit deal with all these useless police and army. See am. Una see tiger, if na one, I don't chop am. You see am as them many. You see say that as them many, you see am. You no fit do anything. Una see am. They don't deal with am. I don't kill her. He go there. You see her. He don't there. He not fit do anything because they're many. They're many. They don't kill her. When I see her, you know if you do anything, don't there. When I see her, you don't there. That's to tell you, say, if you not many, you people can do something. When I see her, you don't die. You not fit do anything again. See her. Now see her. You see her. My brothers and sisters. Nobody get monopoly of violence. One day, all these big people, okay. Now if you kid them. Forget it. This one, lion or tiger, they deal with them. We many. More than not fear again. We many. All present. See. Now, see. Put IPOB for one side. Put, for now, we be Biafra. Put Biafra for one side. Do something for your life. Reality, we dey suffer. Yes, we dey suffer. Nothing is good at all. Nothing. Urobo people dey here as engineer, doctor, name it. But make the day the zoo. They'll be kekerada. They'll even kill the joiner. Not the truth. They'll kill them. Even Binima dey here, which is Godoma, Binima ile Bino. He do my day as doctor. But if he did there, no fit. Yoruba my day as doctor. But if he did there, they no fit. Fulani say, Fulani no even go school. Now they carry on up and down. Now my body therefore they get power. How these people? If they want a woman, that people must get up. Una must get up. Now the truth. Wame see me walking nai. Eh? I better I'm coming. I me away me now. Me I don't have my own life to live again. Eh? I'm coming soon. I'm coming. Okay? You people waste little bit. I will just pass there. I will just carry you guys. You take Victor. I will pass there. We'll spend time there. I know it now. I know it. Don't worry, I'll just take Victor. Let him go small. I will drive you guys, okay? Okay? Just wait. I'm doing something. Let me just say, let's wait for 1 hour time. Okay, wait for another 30 minutes. Let's see, okay? We'll go and pick him. Okay? Okay? Yeah, other. Hey, Jesus, I love boy. If you know we, if we have a woman, man, PC, they will not. Ah, but me more. Hey, my brothers and sisters. Hey, man, I love this. So, see, we don't get good life. That's the truth. When we this small, your dog call your mama, say, mama, come and do this. Yeah, or you been with. You're here for your year. For year now, children, I get life for year. You cannot say no. People there now. You don't know, say people there when they fed there. 5,000 euros that they pay there every month. People there when they fed there, drink out with you. More not come off our topic. Our topic is the data people, their mumu. 0/100. Neither they carry, they'll say they know they carry last. They be mumu. I swear. Listen to Fulani, not be me talking. They want their land by all means, by fire, by force. They will take on. Nothing they happen.
Delta State is gone. We want 30,000 square meters cattle grazing land in Delta State. 5,000 is not enough to start up.
Now, not be like not true. Okwonga not they do anything. Now we come for data. Okwonga not fit do anything. They kill 3 boys like they kill for Sabadadi. Innocent boys, graduate. Sometimes not they pay me say I not go school. Graduate, better children. We get life to live. They kill them. They shoot one for leg. They kill the other one. They say they'll frame you up. Not you don't fit do anything. You don't fit do. Now police they talk and the police now janja we army. How we get Asaba boys? They go school well. Okay, they don't still see they be doctor or lawyer. They don't still see job. They don't put them for police. Awa, they'll go bring Jaja we for Sahel. Come and take off these people. That time all of una gossip. You see social media now, mostly the Edo. No, all those one I live, they only can't down with them. All of them. Gossip. They know there is the better thing. No, but better thing they can't try. No. So now say me can go marry those kind of men. He go hard. Even though they work, I don't want because he heard you know they think better thing. You know they think the next generation for here now. Car, they don't they remove car for road because they think 20 years, they say 20, 30 years. Say earthquake go start. So therefore the weather not good again. If you they drive car, you they pay better money. They want make people remove car, make they use leg waka. Una they think for people. Una bring me a shop. Thank God say the wife will deport. How many times will not be me talking? May I look? This data will fair hold on first. Wait, let me check how many thousand they want to deport. I like how they deport. They all have to agree. They be criminal. The your con where they get better money for that side, con they enjoy another person taxpayers money. They don't want fight for their own. They want to deport how many
migration matters now. Germany and Nigeria are in talks to speed up the return of 30,000 undocumented Nigerian migrants.
30,000 undocumented. My belly goes sweet me, una know why. Una head be. Now the truth. Una like suffer. Una they praise una oppressor. Now the truth. Make them deport una know say life not be what una think. Now they come in our day and see better money. Now they say now so they pick up for grant. These people they suffer for their own. When you they tell they say go and fight. Go and, did you say now because say they arrest you now the canoe? No. If not because of that one, forget. Not be person. No, they give Jaja wig expo. We'll break prison. We get people where they work that DSS. not be DS, DSS, people dey there where I know where they work for Nigeria police. If na say, na una the Kanu, na one shot for, na telephone. Hey guy, how you there now? No worry, I will meet you for so place. No worry, we'll run shows. I beg go break that prison, very easy. Go break guy, go remove una the can nothing dey happen to her. Not be that one. Our leader one do one, go away. Forget. Not be because that one they turn and muna go fight to. When my head is scatter, when my head is bust, there be one corner our leader. If people there be one do that one, me know. There be one corner, there be one do mago, that they fight for money. Now I rise up, now I just shout. You know, see everywhere quiet. And these people, they know say I try to talk. They know, you know, say the truth of the matter be say if you dey waka with people, we get different minds, different hearts. Some people they be thief. They are not real. They are just following you because they want follow you, not because they want that thing. Na money that they find. Me, we know everything. So our leader try. Me not be our leader. Not if you follow those kind of people waka. I swear, those people will lack money past themselves. No, I don't fit. But anyway, now freedom will define. If we get freedom, everybody go this destination, go to your territory, go and visit. That is very simple. My brothers and sisters for data. See, una dey among of these people, more than listening.
Immigration matters now. Germany and Nigeria are in talks to speed up the return of 30,000 undocumented Nigerian migrants currently in Germany.
30,000. No, continue. Wait. Wait. 30,000 all document. Now they be okay. So that 30,000 data people met. Oh, now they sad. Now they hear me. Mostly the Urobo people. Urobo people now get artifact. I call them way artifact. I call them way. Now they get out. I tell them small history. You know, every day we they dig. This artifact where they want return, they use and say, most especially the Urobo people and the Ekwale people. Where? The Ekwale people and the Urobo people, now they be original Godomigodo. Now them be original Godomigodo. If they don't know me, they tell now. Now them be the Idu plus the rivers people. Now them be the Idu. There we are in the Godomigodo land plus Ijo people. There we are there. Doing this carving of artifact because they can do a good job, a very good job. Carve this artifact, do it very well. Then the Ile-Ife people that came to that land to come and conquer our forefather. Even though na my forefather na for Ile-Ife, me I don't give a fuck. Me na this generation I not be Ile-Ife people. I be original Godomigodo. Let me tell you small story. Because of that carving of artifact where they can they do, then they will not bring them and tell the European people, hey, these people are very good in artifact. So they'll treat them. They'll say they want to go work for. That's how you know. Say if that even that time, if our people here say they want to go abroad, their head go big. They just say abroad na abroad na second na heaven. They don't know say Oyibo that they work together. That is why they think abroad is second heaven. They can't carry them, put for boat. Say they want to carry them go abroad. They want to go work because there's a big calf the artifact. When they reach Badagry, there one place where they build. They can't give them the way those our forefather where they drink. May I drink? Continue. Where our forefather where they don't reach Lagos, which is Badagry, they can't see say now lie they tell them say they want to go sell them for slavery. They want to they aggressive. When the people that were selling them, we know the people, but not be that one another story, another thing. When the people where they trade with the Oyibo people, we don't want hand over them to them. So our forefather will not find out that okay, these people want to go and sell us for slavery. They will not start their aggressive. So they will not give them concussion to drink before they reach where they go. They don't wake up. When they wake up, they don't say they don't hang their head, their leg. They'll turn their leg upside down because you want to prove stubborn. They they'll deal with you. They'll beat them. They'll even put this thing shit for their mouth. They not talk. Our father they suffer. Data people. Una must wake up. Oh. Data. Una must do something. This generation we forbid slavery. And the true everybody na equal. Go head down. This is our generation. I want them. They'll come beat them. Hang their head upside down as they touch our Madike. So some people say, we are not cause spoil war for us. So let us do it diplomatic way. I say, okay. And me, I fair keep quiet because me, I not cause spoil everything. Because me, as my body day, even though they remove one for that Kuje prison, well, you know where the prison way dey. And more continue. They can't beat them. They can't hang them upside down. We don't have the outside and they'll shook nail for inside their nose. We go come out for the other. They know they think well. They know they except say anything where they tell them. That's all they do. So they say that artifact where they come Urobo people plus the real Godo people now they say well now make the California people trace their ancestors go Benin. They say they said they not be small, they beat them, they kill them. Man, we get lecturer, better lecturer. We be say we suppose they pay. Not be smart yo, better lecturer. We get them. Now making no be no go gaga say who they tell these people something. They say we don't know history, but we don't know her now. They say because of that artifact where they carve, most especially in Igu and in one place for Ogara, no one place they near Urobusad, they call the name. Mona, see, invite people. I want to call. I want to spoil everywhere now. Data people, they are just like mumui just said. Let me call my pa. I want to spoil everywhere. We still send the no message. We not send the message. We know what we are doing and we know where we are going. And we want to call one of our power. We will see whether it available. Me must call a pa. I must call you a pa. Beg, pick your phone. I must call you a pa. Beg, pick your phone. Baba wato. This are my pa. Now Irobo, but it still be a godoma. Wait first. Wait to. Pa, you see the name. Chris Godoma or Gahi Baba Wato. Chris Idu Godoma because ina Urobo ina Godowit.
And we, as Nigerians, shall do everything possible to make sure we take that oil so that a lot of people will have the oil as well.
Pano carry pabego. Pano fuck me up. Maybe now I made a year, but you must talk. Epa, you must talk. Maybe you know I made a year, but you must talk. Epa beg. If not small thing, don't tell me. Okay, may I call now secretly? Just tell me the name where they said they call Robo. I beg, Baba. What Baba? May I know. Maybe you know me.
Different, but then God has made us to stay together. So why can't we attempt to stay together?
No, did yeah.
And I honestly do not believe.
You know, they. You be the ring now. Let me play for. Hello, Baba. Don't worry, me what, Baba. Don't worry, Baba.
you know,
Emi ora vana no ma bwerosa.
that's up to them.
Baba la wo ti ve la o. Yo nu ti ve baba na me ni atama we la baba wa to. So my brothers and sisters, una know say this ile be no people. They don't know say they don't know say people they where they look them, they all day on their own. Thank God say they never die finish. Thank God we still get better people. We be say the history till their head. They know everything. Even their forefather tell them. They tell them history to history. Even as Nigeria will take break, this kind of people they know. Nigeria will more arrest. Some people say we need revolution because they arrested now the count. We never need revolution to free our leader. We don't need that. We don't need that, my dear. We know how to go about it. We don't be to spoil everywhere. Everywhere spoil. We don't get anything to lose. We don't enjoy. Since we were born, you get one of our brother who called me for US yesterday. He say, now true with the talk. He say, hey, if more constantly reason now you go to me go to ma. They say na Igbo people they support us. 75% our people that is supporting us. Yes. Now when we new start, they fear. Now the fear don't vanish. Now mainly be no people they forge everything. And now so they start base and boy. Now so they go die soon. Now so he test come beneath people wanna know. They will start passing. They never bring and come out for social media. Oh they fool. My brothers and sisters, mona no fear. Our people are ready to be free. So therefore, Urobo people must wake up. Urobo, I'll see. I'll call this my pal. I'll tell now the real name that they call now. No be Urobo. I'll call now. The treasure. I'll tell now. Because me, I know they remember anything where they tell me for another place. Now only go to me they remember because why? And I know understand. We go where I get with you. I want me happen. When I know my basket, you they run up and down. I know say they do good job now, but don't be that one save us. Or carry the fait the press innocent people collect their now. Imagine only of if go abroad, they steal our money. They use and carry and go abroad. He said he is a graduate. He come back again. He started selling Ile-Ife people land, Lagos. All the old estates now near of Ife they sell a lot for inside. Come here, because they tell me, oh, near of Ife, you know the fear. Oh, near of Ife is a criminal, the bastard. Oh, near of Ife, you are a bastard. Thank God now. Until say we know the year. Our Yoruba people they call us the good ones. They tell us say my sister, now true that they talk. These people they be thief, they be criminal, they be idiot. They say, only of Ife, they run up and down, they don't cash in at the car. Only of Ife, our people don't already know, say you're not criminal, you're a bastard. You'll be nobody. You're a criminal, your papa not thief. And your father was a thief, collecting people's land. You, as small as you are, as young man as you are, you come back again from America or where you for go school. Na America na they go now. You come back from US again, started coming here and selling people land. And now you want to run up and down. You're a thief. We know the respect on again. Now when the time come now, see you of Ife is the criminal. Our Yoruba brothers they are complaining as well. I want our part to call so that you people will hear some expo today. Our call. Okay? Our call. My people, our pa must talk. May just talk small. I don't give her only 5 minutes. If you go great talk. 5 minutes, may talk. May these people. Criminals. You must talk or I will invite him one day for my program. You understand? The Zoom must be destroyed. On our way there, hey, because they arrested that the canoe was so fair one made ufuna lack mona fact, ufuna lack. Mostly the Delta people. May I play for that? Nick Benua, no get sense. Let me play.
Delta State is gone. We want 30,000 square meters cattle grazing land in Delta State. 5,000 is not enough to start up.
Una the canoe come out. e no come out. If Fulani want take una, he go take am. Una all those crap, una all the talk. Hey, we are saying we are make problem. No, problem must still come because nobody like oppression. Now the truth, you don't like it, I don't like it. All of us, we dey suffer. My own don't even good self. I dey here. You don't see some people wey dey the Zoom, they know they fit eat. 2 times they no fit eat chocolates or say 3 times. My own better pass them now. See food that I want go give birth. At the store and there. They no eat. They waste food. All these children right there. If you give them this, you know, Mama, I don't want this. Give you the other one. I don't want. Una way this. Una we now they chat for. I get anything where I want go collect for this. Una this say I dey find for post. As the rest people they find. No, if Biafra come, if the freedom don't land, I go shocking. I don't understand. If una don't understand life, now know they feel say as I did, so I don't hold. I want to see, and me, I go they do test. Is this qualify? This one be thief. Come out, you know, get this post not be your own. Where at? The other one, you know, we will my phone will take the same. Will they test people? We want to go work for our people. Like they say with the fact, make the zoo come, make with the fact for Biafra like we want to be like Nigeria. No, Biafra we are not corrupt. So that is why anybody that is corrupt, we bring it out. All those people where they say, hey, no talk and come out, no talk, me not the down one. If you are corrupt, I say it out. Where the IPOB leadership wanted to do Burukere, I tell them, may they take time, may they cancel, nobody good. Cancel your mind for that and direct your energy, go where my leader, they may feel free. Even though you free, you know free. Made data people, make them wake up. Not be because of our leader they shout. See why they shout. Fulani say they must do grazing. I don't know the year word. Okon I not get say. Now get say because now land. Government, who is government? Who is government? Is the people, followed by the people. Now guesses. But okay, when I say for now rise up. Okon all those big belle wey dey government had for Asaba. Now I come fight for now. All those one they enjoy. All those one they enjoy and they not go lack. If una not make fun now suffer. All those one though they import food from what did they call this village or this country? What did they find? Liberia. That they do find where there will be importing food from Liberia there down to the zoo. They're not the bad food that they enjoy very well. All this government, all these big belly where they councillor, senator, all these politicians, they eat very, very well. You, if they don't make fun, you will suffer pass. You think say, una the can way, we can decide to as I did so. I will volunteer. I'll first come do one first. Wait, I'll first check IPOB for year. Their account. Well, I can decide to collect money. Me go there, go there, go give her food. Or I'll the same person go give her better food. Mona there, Mona die for suffer. And person will tell na say see they say Mona can't give them 30,000 square meter land. 5,000 not dey enough. Okay, where your papa want farm? Where your mama want farm? Now we come for the Asaba, the Delta State. If you equally get gas, they get everything, all of them mumu. If you see equally people, they make me here. Except say the one where they abroad. Now your VCC better one. Wait, they can't be all those one where they grant. Oh, they suffer. So far, now they farm. They know the fact. All of them you make me. They'll buy land. See the one we come off yesterday. He buy land though. Your land. This guy Roland they can sell 11 million. Oh, Azuasha. Data people. Mona no they tell us say na they carry first. No, 0/100 now they carry. Until na do something. If you na do something, na no mean I mean not get anywhere. I tell now this freedom. I don't like my mama. My papa, if they all come out for inside grave, I'll say, Mama, go back. Now, the truth, I tell now. I don't like anybody. Do right here, I talk. If you not still go, I talk. You see, our magic politician, we talk. If they're not good, you'll see come chat. They say they'll be tifo on your sheep. What did I call them? On your sheep. It is your cheap black people. You see, when we get good, the talker. When no constant go, they kill people. You big people finish it. Now got a boss. It constant. When Obaka, whether now Father Obaka, he do something, he talk. Now so we not get the time we be say we'll call the verse for one person. No, now freedom, total freedom. Now we defend. Everybody do your own, I do my own. Be as Africa this. For now, that year, if I just see her say, Urobo wado, Isoko equale, and Yosha. And all these Agbo people with the cut, only the back, only the car, only the Anyosha, only the what he that gaddy Unduka kido, no, not Unduka. This thing where that they call kingdom for his head, only the. Because they ask myself, say, all these people now only one people. They just cutty them. They not gonna know themselves again. So therefore, my brothers and sisters, never too late to Anyoma village. Only the Anyoma, only the Kwale, only the Ka, only the Papa, what Papa? Hello, Baba. What rame? Baba. What rame? Domosa. Like the one, Baba. He said, Baba. Domo. Baba. Domosa. Hey, Baba. Now wo. We Fulani. Here we are one with Delta State. Now wo, Baba. The Dove Street here in ya hola. Hey, Nini no way at ye Urobo. Imagine. Now, Baba. Iware laughing now. Iware left. Better. No tani, Baba Guio, no way information no what don't give you ni the a life. Oh no now. What? Hello? Only my meso do Baba. I meso do this one we but Delta State la wo Baba. It can one as way Baba. Una we history nuga atama me una we urobo me minatiya wa chitamiya la wo Baba. Ze broki. Ni ya make now English one la.
Okay.
Don't morame. Hello Baba, ze bona la.
Okay. My brothers and sisters for Niger Delta. Down to Ikwere, Ogoni, the region where we did, there is no Delta State in no day. What did they call all of us that time will be part of Biafra. If you want to know this history, make una go check the history of this what they call Ilesonmi social study. This one early 70s history. Not be the one where they don't match and make. So we are all one. We are all one. That Edo, when they say Edo not there. That Edo is just two ethnic. One ethnic, when he did there be, what they call Edo, like they be the minority. Like they be the minority. Urobo, Isoko, Ujebe, Idu, Ope, Amope, name them. We are all Idu. We are all Igodomikodo. There is nothing like South in no day. Like to conquer us and destroy us. Like they did. That Edo, they be the lineage of Cain inside the Bible. The lineage of Cain inside the Bible. They are known as killers right from time. They start killing from inside the Bible. If you read the Bible, Cain kill Abel. When Cain rock more for the Garden of Eden, where he go? Who he go
you said
the guy no be there.
you said there is a name they call Robo. Can you tell our people, please, sir?
Urobo people, when they call them before, they call them Izobo. They call them Izobo. That the two people give that name Izobo.
No, you get the name. No, you get the name where you said they changed to Robo. Where you tell me. You don't remember?
Now be that Uzobo so. Now be Uzobo. Before they come change us to Urobo. Before they come change us to Urobo.
No, you get where the name is. You get the name where you tell me. Not be Uzobo. You get be one is Robo. Where you tell me. I don't forget answer. I forget down. You say you tell me, sir. I no can't remember, sir. Be like say you remember. I will still talk.
When I go to the history book again, when I recollect, then I will let you know.
Okay, sir.
I will let you know.
Okay, sir.
Okay, my sister.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Baba. Thank you.
All right.
Okay,
bye.
Sir.
Yeah.
I forget this name. Wait, tell me say they call Robo. Robo people not Abyssinia. Una na Abyssinia. Muna get up. Muna do something. Na be last. Una they carry last. Muna no they toss. So na they carry first. La. Na they carry last. Una must do something. Fulani will just come the way from everywhere. Come they follow na dragon na land. A panel day spirit. I wish I go school. Oh, for they write all those things down. Hey, no, I know they like to record people. I for the right time. Ew, a part tell me. Oh, he say get the name they call Robo. So, my brothers and sisters, no worry, I'll find out. Will I say at that time I'll find it. And before I go, fast. Una see Ogborue, Egbibi, my Omadike must come out. See, it must come out too. We must rub shock. We dey rub powder. We not feel rub ibi. Awa, Omadike must come out. See, now what my ancestors tell me this. Ogborue, Egbibi, our Omadike must win. Now see, Ogboru Egbibi. So those of you that is shati Nadikanu he don't see na so shock will they rub. We know they rub shako awa Ogboru Egbibi no. See if you rub shock is a sign of good thing. So you see that will they rub for our forehead. So we must celebrate. Biafra must come. We not the fear. And we want to make our data people rise up. Make the fight all this idiot, all this Fulani Janja with. May I read down last time. Don't just come. Don't say, Baba, give me one list you.
Delta State is gone. We want 30,000 square meters cattle grazing land in Delta State. 5,000 is not enough to start up. MIYETTI ala Delta cattle.
Delta State people. Chief of Staff, Asuroboma. Chief of Staff, one of the universe. Now let you want to get that name. Mona tell now our Robo people. The most faithful I knew. This one not be because of say wanty. They must deal with Fulani. Because Fulani those two boast. If I dey talk now, someone just come out for corner. Now because they arrest. See, you see, I say I rub shock. We not rub shako awa. Well, they can't just they relax for where you do. They wait. Now diplomatic, they say they want to do. They say may I not do. May I not spoil everything for them. That make me shift. You see, I know they talk again. But if I hear them say they not doing right. Na problem. So even make the Fed do their own diplomatic. Our leader, people they will go they cook for her. Step taban. You know they say please they cook for her. No say we fit do one. We fit do one. Nothing we will not fit do. Mona not try. So Mona not think say na because of our leader wey they are cash or wey they arrest. How it take wey they kidnap am, you no concern me. Now make all the shot say we must do something. Una hear am.
Delta State is gone. We want 30,000 square meters cattle grazing land in Delta State. 5,000 is not enough to start up. MIYETT.
You see, huh? Chief of Staff, you hear that? Your land. There's Fulani say, by fire, by force. Now must give the that land. Make the take do crazy. Some robo people. Use Ijeme. Some they not get. See, Chief of Staff. Some robo people. Some they not get any. So gossip. Robo no they carry last. Worry no they. Now they carry 0 over 100. Now they carry. No they carry. Una need to do something. Una need to do something. If una want to do it together, Mona invite all of una brother together. Na see I do and data. Na be one. Mona ne say na ile be no minus ile be no those one. They don't want freedom. They don't want me Nigeria break. I don't know what it they want. As they carry on the camp, they happy. Mona happy oh. We know the fact now. But Fulani, they say they want 30,000 square meter for grazing. They know that now by force, so you know that Fulani you must give them. They know that the one we did, they must get them. Now that one, now only that one. Now tell that Fulani, you come your land to say, this land, either you give me or you die. If you say you want that, don't even make them quick way. You understand? Don't make them quick. Don't keep it away. The what did they call what this Yoruba man? He say you better give them or you die. If you die, you not get the land again. Just give them, make they take grace. And the Nigerian law now say if they did there more than 10 years, now they can't get the land. Though. You not get land again. If they did here more than 10 years, you did their document. As I did so, I did abroad 10 years. I never even pass which I take get their citizen. So I all come where I not buy. I not buy a mortgage because abroad. At the year say some people say they buy for abroad. I all the year like say they buy cash. Now go carry bank money for bank, they buy house. Even 20 years time, those bank go renew again. Say, hey, you don't pay, but the tax don't go up. The money don't rise. So now you need to start paying again. Now say it the happen for abroad. Mona not just go there. Now tax don't take collect all your money. Even the one we fair pay, the one we not fair pay. They'll bring better law we be say they'll collect the money. If they even say you want pay and finish. They'll bring law we be say hey, you restart again. Mostly if you get pikin. If you not get pikin, if they go put you for their old people house, that money they'll use and pay workers. We know as they be for year now. You go sit down there. They'll sell the house. They'll go take for one room for there. Then before you die, you dead there. The one way they can't use remain for you. They'll come give the government or they'll give orphanage. Who be orphanage for you now government? All those criminal where they be. I mean, I don't like that. So they don't do it like that. If they see say you get children, they'll increase that again. They'll say the tax, okay, that is it rise up. So you now need to start paying again. They'll bring another law because your children will continue to pay. So all those lie where our people they lie, make them shut up. Nobody can buy house except say you win lotto. Cannot buy house in abroad and pay. Nobody. Now mortgage. You are paying, you are working, paying every month. Don't listen to any bagger. There be anyone will buy house. Now criminal, maybe do fraud or you get better work. They work for where they pay 1 million krona, which is 100,000 in a year or 200,000. That one, you get better work. Before like 15-20 years, you don't pay finish. Well, the year, not be you where they do pana job. Just say you feel buy house for year cash. You just pay cash. Well, that fraud, I know what they hear. Na scam. All of them are scam. So my brothers and sisters, we have to be saying the truth every day and all time. Delta State people must rise up. They must fight for their land. Enough is enough. This threat you want too much.
Delta State is gone. We want 30,000 square meters cattle grazing land in Delta State. 5,000 is not enough to start up.
Delta! I not agree to now today. No do anymore. Una must stand up and do something. Okonga, they have caged him. Our people, since when our Edo women, which is the Esan women, rise up. You see, land matter can't be hot cake for Edo State. Obaseki now don't they run up and down. You don't they see, don't they research. You know? Before they know they care. Do you come? Oba na from here to the other side, na land go reach America. You can't drag with him. Even the land where your papa live for you, where you were rich, don't even sell them. Ha. Mona listen, So now, if you not talk, Okonga cannot do anything. Forget it. Okonga can't do something. Wait, now we make Obaseki they run up and down. Obaseki is now confused now. Mona, wait.
You need to distinguish and clarify. This is very important. The previous law made reference to youth chairman, and all of them quickly translated into Ohe. They all quickly translated to Kagele. Kagele is a Benin word for youth chairman. So it was the same thing. Doing the same rubbish they were doing that the Lord tried to restrain. And so they thought they were smart. This time around, I'm sure they will see the different capacity with the provisions and with all that is entailed in that law. Anybody who will test the will of government by going ahead to parade themselves as Ohe, Kagele, fully for the purpose of selling land, they will see the other side of the law.
Maybe just a word to apprehensive land developers.
We need to define land developers. They are positive land developers and they are land grabbers. Every society that have had development have the information and support of land developers who develop society for the good of society. And they all need security of their investment by way of putting money in the place and be sure that you are buying land. You don't have fear of somebody coming to attack you. What we have had so far is that you cannot sleep with your two eyes when you buy land in this town. When you are renovating a house that you bought 30 years ago, you built 30 years ago, somebody will come and meet you in the name of Okagele and say you come and pay money for development fee. You are putting foundation in a land you bought over 20 years ago. Somebody will come and tell you that even though you have C of O, there's evidence of ownership. You want to come and buy from some persons. Who want to invest in an environment like that? And we all know these things. We all saw these things. Those who want to speak out, they feel to speak out because they were benefiting from it. The poor people were suffering. The rich men don't have problem. What betide any of these so-called Kagele or youth chairmen to go and focus and face any of these big men in society? Can they try it against people who have money? They only do it against these poor people. And that's why they have been succeeding. Any law that does not make provision for the protection of the poor is an unjust law. So this law is specifically for the protection of those who are weak in society. It's not a crime to be poor. The poor person has a right to a roof over his head. And so all these efforts and activities of persons who are claiming to be Ohe or Kagele or youth chairman or whatever name they call themselves, they should wait. The law might be coming gradually. The process of just might be slow, but to get it.
That's small. Thank our people, my colleague. Una too dey talk. Not be only this live video. Now apart for the live video, what are you impart? What are you I dey contribute a lot. I dey contribute a lot. I wanted to go and protest. So when my ancestors come meet me in the night, say no, go to spiritual way. There's a lot of people killing human being to sacrifice for your leader's head. I go spiritual way. I was in the river 2 days. I went to the river 2 days. My mama say, no, they show the gear, beg. The thing they cause confusion. You know they cause confusion. But that one, I don't video. If I video, I put out for that video. I don't video. I just still take a voice. Because I think say that one, they fast pass. If they see them, though they leg baby, though they run around. Me, I know they had done it you. I do my own thing openly, even though you say I be devil, I be evil, I dey serve juju. You will not dey serve, I make you dey go carry Bible. Me not the convenience, but no convenience me. I not call you. So my brothers and sisters, Delta State is gone. It's gone though. They have to get up. Thank you, my brother. Good afternoon, sir. No, good afternoon, ma. My lovely sister. Delta State don't go. Delta State, they say they want to collect it by fire, by force. And our Delta people are just keeping quiet. They are not talking. They don't cut them. They don't cut them. The only thing we can cut them now is Delta. Because they don't cut them. We don't figure they say Agosha, Anyosha, Agbo, Equale, Isieluku, what is they call her? Urobo, Eka, Shakiri, Isoko. We don't fit they chat all of them now. The only thing we can talk now Delta State, which is the river. Not be only there be river because river big. River na Edo, Bayelsa, Delta, river na Akwa Ibom, rivers. So river big. We say we river big. All those one are all of them are river. But Delta State, they want collect to my land. Mona get up. Not be say because of I swear. If not only because of now the canoe with the chassis make a revolution come. Easy from Esan land to Esakora. We all carry bus, go Abuja, bus the prison, will come back. We carry on the can can't give una for. Not be that one now. They say we want to do illegal, we legal way. We they wait. May our lawyer talk. Because they say me I not use my agbo spoil everything. Me no say me na agbo. I not use and spoil everything. Me I dey wash. No say I dey wash. I dey everywhere. As I dey do video so. I know to see people where they do video, or where they talk, all these messages. I know they see, but I dey everywhere. Mona do away. When I say you need better lawyer, my people, my IPOB people, if you read the IPOB, I beg, we need we need financial support. We need them. We need them now because. They say they want to go and legal way. They say they want to take better lawyer. They say the lawyer where he go come everywhere go shake. Even that Tanko, not be Tanko that they call and that chief judge. If he did circle, he go they do like this. Everywhere go the turner from abroad. And they say maybe get one lawyer here. The boy now young lawyer. That one if he believe Norwegian for that, they don't know what he talk. All of them go gaga. But they say they want to do on their own way. So if you be IPOB better one, not be all those one where they talk for the one corner of their matter. We say they be IPOB or they'll be Biafra at the end of the day 0. Now let my mother know. I don't know another person man. I beg. This time better people come out. We go say we need support of our leader. You will support. They don't even need anything for you and not just lawyer. Only that lawyer now we need. There's a volunteer lawyer on our no. But we want to take a lawyer that if he dey court, Tako Mohammed, he go to do like this. That bag where they carry, go even for. You know the time we go take for where Medidi go for. Now that kind of lawyer, we get lawyer, volunteer lawyer, many lawyer, IPOB lawyer. But we want to take better lawyer. We be say, Tanko man, not be Tanko. Now Tanko that they call him now. If he dey caught that day, every area will burst. They go even they beg our leader say, they go. Yes, it's your right. Self-determination is your right. We're not true. We wanted to kill you. They go. Carry Biafra. They go. Leave us alone. Who want to join or we join. This time now, we are agitating for Southern Nigeria. Southern Nigeria first. Yoruba or Biafra. Oja, go one side. Not fair go. If middle belt want to join us, Mona fair join us. If we can't come, because they say na Fulani be the problem, we'll cut them, go one side. And if we can't, say the problem will be say, we get for this struggle. Now the South. Because why? The South, Oni of Ife girl yewe. Sultan Osoko girl yewe. Emi Afkanu girl yewe. Oba Abini, all of them go yewe. Only be of Olisha or yewe. Now the South na be the problem. So the indigenous people of the South need to get up and fight for what belong to them. Not be me or fair for now. Only me one I want fair for now. So the Delta people and Edo people must rise up. If you not rise up, all those eyes on, don't shut up. I dey tell na the truth. Because of say I'm coming now, don't worry, I'm coming. Okay? We pick you before I go and pick him. Okay? Okay. Yes, ma. Yes, I know, Sama. Okay. See, they are coming me. My brothers and sisters, let me quickly say this. Delta people must rise up. The indigenous people must rise up. Because nobody will fight for now. If you not think, say, our leader now want come out, confess, I don't already doing. I dey tell now the truth. If you not rise up, I go the do they go. This one do, the other one do. But for now, me on not the quarter. I not just like what they happen at all. You know, now yesterday I start on a matter. Today now somebody send me this data news. Be like say don't fair DSS, but now today person send that for me. Now data woman still send that. Mona listing. No. Wait first. Now data still send that. May I quickly read down before because all they come me for you. I'll read down 20 times. Now yesterday I just start data photo. See ya.
Delta State is gone. We want 30,000 square meters cattle grazing land in Delta State. 5,000 is not enough to start up.
Fulani. See, Delta people, I know they laugh. I'm not joking. You know, say, now so I think they talk my own. Sometimes I laugh, sometimes. But I'm serious. You guys must do something. Yes. Chief of Staff. Thank you, my Chief of Staff. They must do something. If they not do, I not leave them. They be no miss blood for Urobo. They everywhere. We know they look them again. It be no miss blood de Urobo land. It they all data. They don't plant them there. Only of Olu of foreigner miss blood. All of them. But we know they measure that one again. The indigenous people where they suffer need to fight for their mandate. Need to fight for their land. Now the true Chief of Staff, if they not rise up, that will come right. Don't be surprised. Say, Papa na one of the late be no miss blow. You know if you do anything, you go say take una share. You know the suffer now. He dey power now. He can afford everything you want. So therefore, my brother, Delta people must do something. He be know that they everywhere we know. But Delta people, the indigenous people, most especially Asaba, Agbo, Ekwale. They must Urobo, now they be seen you. Una do something, una must do something, if una not do something, no we are good. Olo na sit down. Then they carry $15 billion US they come. Una not talk put. Una keep quiet. Now let's say the fair put. Now let the dead now let the dead now so now do a federal government how bad share money. Una they don't see the suffer. Una mama you waste bell where they take the drive machine for Agbo. So farm like that. They know they rest. Don't they rest though? Now a care market now they sit down for and they sit down for all the fragari they do akbu where they want go send for market day. They don't get the time where they take the rest from January to December. They don't get to our men now so gossip that they gossip. They don't get any strategy. They don't get anything. That is now because of una no. Una the can they fight for us. That's the truth. That one don't do now. We they tell now. Do something. Some people say, may I still pray for my leader small before I go. Ogboru egbe be a wa. Ogboru. You know they be a wa. I know what you mean. Who they rub shock. You know if you rub shako. Awa. Our leader must be free. Ogboru egbe be a wa. Must be free. So Una we say it all there. Una no worry. Na shock. We go rub powder. We will rub the chief shock. We no rub charcoal. La. We now see as it go to happen. So we are doing our own spiritually. Now see, Fulani don't run. Don't run. Even if they kill and if their spirit may come, we are going to destroy the zone and understand. So therefore, Delta people must rise up. Anywhere they gossip, I don't want to see una for jail. Mona do something. Mona organize on herself. The indigenous people must rise up. Mona work with all this, the good one or the good Edo people, which is the Godomigodo. The rest na ile bino. Mona leave all those ones. May they go kill themselves. Oraka na ile bino. That one not join. We not see the good one. What did they call them? Parara na ile bino. Those one na ile bino because they don't they don't get small money. They don't enjoy it. It's a life don't finish. Mona no worry. They be ile bino. They just be like Obi Kubana for Igbo. Now so they don't want me Nigeria break because if Nigeria break, they will suffer. That is the reason they don't want it to break. So last time,
Delta State is gone. We want 30,000 square meters cattle grazing land in Delta State. 5,000 is not enough to start up. MIYETTI ala Delta cattle.
Hey, Delta, Uwafo. Hey, my brothers and sisters, we will continue. Now, bye bye.